fix Discord? Well, this is awkward. Looks like Discord has crashed unexpectedly. Problem. So if you want to fix the problem, then the first solution is to delete temporary files and Discord files on your computer. To do this, what you need to do is just go with the search section and open up your run. Once you open up your run, now you need to simply type for temp and then hit the enter. And here you will have all of the temporary files. We just need to simply press the Control and A key at the same time and delete all of these files. If a warning message appears while deleting selected this for all current items, you need to simply click on skip. Go with delete and then go with skip. Go with do this for all current items and then skip. And after that, you just need to simply again go with run. Right click on your Windows, go with run. And now you need to type in %app data %, go with OK. And now the file we need to delete is Discord. So simply search for Discord. Here you will have your Discord and right click on it and then delete. Once you've deleted that file, you just need to simply go back and then again run. Open up your run and here enter % local app data % and OK. And after that you will have the Discord file right here. Right click on it and then again go with delete and delete the Discord. But if you're not being able to delete that, then make sure that your Discord is not running in the background. If it is running, then you need to simply close the Discord application and then you need to delete this .file. Or the other thing you can do is just right click on your taskbar and then go with the task manager. And here, if your Discord is running, then you just need to simply right click on it and then go with end task on your Discord. And after that, you can delete and your problem will be fixed. And once you've done with all of these, you can simply open up your Discord. And while you open up your Discord, it will automatically update the application and wait for some time till it updates. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, we'll move on to the next solution, which is to use Better Discord. You can simply go with your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and you can simply search for Better Discord. Once you search here, you will have the Better Discord application, or you can also go with your browser and then you can open up your Better Discord and log into your account and your problem might be fixed. You can use your Better Discord. But even if that doesn't fix your problem, then the third solution is you just need to simply go with your settings, open up your settings, and you need to go with the apps section. Under apps, go with installed apps, and under installed apps, you just need to simply go with search and search for Discord. Once you search for Discord, now you just need to simply go with the right side and then you need to uninstall the Discord. Once you uninstall your Discord, now you just need to simply go with install again from your Microsoft Store or your browser. And after that, you can log in and your problem might be fixed. So these were the few solutions on how you can fix Discord. Well, this is awkward problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.